we're very sad to hear that it's lost its blue flag. My son and his wife, they surf here down here quite a lot, and my family come down and walk along the strand here. It's very, very sad that they're losing the blue flag. Hopefully we might get it back soon.
Great loss to Lahinch because it raised a lot of tourists and locals income there for swimming and surfing and all, you know.
I'm in the water every day, even in the winter time. There's a group of us going in the same time every day, or I go in on my own. And I've never, ever come out of the water being sick. I can't understand why they're doing this to Lahinch, because my family are in business in Lahinch as well. And it's going to be detrimental for here. To think that we're going to lose a blue flag.
It's always been a problem. It's not necessarily recent. It's been a long time been a problem. Yeah. Whenever the place packs out, there seems to be a sewage problem. It's not great. It's not great. They get a lot of beach closures, and some weeks we get a lot of cancellations because everybody's sick. You know, so it's an ongoing problem for a long time.